my name is Roxy and this is another What I Eat in a Day video. And this episode is all raw vegan and also gluten-free because lately in LA it has been super hot and I cannot eat warm stuff. And now let's start. For breakfast I did something super simple, a mix of bananas, strawberries, raspberries, grapes and coconut, and it was delicious. Then for lunch I spiralized some zucchini to make this zucchini fettuccine. And I'm gonna leave you the link of the spiralizer in the description box. Then I followed the recipe of the raw boy and I made this amazing raw vegan coconut curry. I'm gonna leave you the link of that recipe in the description box. As a snack in the afternoon, I make this latte with almond milk and then I tried these ice cream mochis because I was filming Thursday's video and this coffee flavored mochi was amazing. For dinner, I still had some curry, but I didn't want to eat it with the zucchini noodles, so I made cauliflower rice. And it's super easy to make cauliflower rice, just put the cauliflower in the food processor and it comes out like this. And then I also added a little bit of tofu because I had some leftover tofu in my fridge. So not everything was raw, but most of it. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope I gave you some ideas for those days you don't want to cook and you want to eat more fresh veggies and fruits. And I'll see you guys next time.